Yo, what's going on, y'all, man? Alex Jenkins checking in, y'all. Y'all know how I do. Still in this Great British Pound JPY trade, just doing a little update. Y'all know I bought 250 contracts at $38.50. That is a profit of 9,625 on this demo account. As you can see, I'm up $6,437.50. Down in between 133 pips, something like that. 133 pips on this trade. Still got till tomorrow at 3 p.m. on this trade. As we take a look at the charts, my entry was up here at this resistance level. As you can see, the market has went down all the way. It went low as 150.34. So we're doing pretty good on this trade, as you can see, over 100 pips. Like I said before, once I get better at doing pip-based trades and get more experience and gain right knowledge and know how far the market really wants to go on these trades, I can do a better job at getting better a low risk trade as far as capital goes. So it's going pretty good. It's going pretty good as far as that, but I would like to have got in instead of getting in at 151. I would have liked to got in at maybe I think 151.25 would have been the next weekly price strike price on nadex, and that would have gave me a cheaper price to get in the market. You know what I'm saying, without that much risk of loss of capital, which would have been very good because that's way up here in this range, and the market still is closing in on 100 pips from there. So it's looking pretty goddamn good. I get better at it. You know, in time, more trades. Seeing, judging the distance on these trades. Video to video, I will see the pip range where I can really make more profits out of. That would be the best bet for me. For me only. Like I said before on the other video, I don't really post a risk disclaimer because I'm not giving you no signals. I'm not telling you how to trade. I'm not even giving you any real anything on why I made a trade, and this is anything that just give you an idea of why I made a trade, or even teaching you how to trade. Just looking at a trade I done, just pretty much basically. You know what I'm saying? Can't really you can do your own synopsis on like looking at my video, and then what I would know what made you think I got in this trade. Oh, I had a alert. I said at 151.71 and it hit. I got in the trade. It's just that simple. I'm over 100 pips at this moment right now. We will get back to another video when the trade is over. It did bounce back. It took a long time to bounce back, but if if anybody would have made did a technical analysis on this trade, could have got back in at 151.09 and still be winning this trade by over 70 pips. So, I mean, it's a pretty good deal. Well, by over 60 pips, it's a pretty good deal. But you gotta do your own homework. I can't do homework for you. I've been doing this thing for 3 years. I'm finally getting the gist of this thing, So I mean, within the next 2 years of me trading, I should reach the pinnacle point in my trading career. You want to call it that. But this is what it is, man. up to 6,000 in profit. You know, this is a real account. I definitely would be fucking like taking profit. $6,000, yes. But like winning by this margin, I can sit it out. I can wait a day. We talking about 130 something pips. It got to move to go back up in another 24 hours. Unless really strong news come out, or this was like a FOMC day, then you can expect a 100 pip to 200 pip movement. But do your own research. Don't take it from me. I am not the guy to give this information. You just want to watch a trade be traded on the market. This is what's happening. It's a demo account, but it's still a trade, no matter how you look at it. So it's going pretty good. I'll definitely get back with you guys come tomorrow.